All right, Neville Goddard's 7-day proof, the ladder experiment. We're going to have 7 days of a course here to do a test on ourselves to prove whether or not manifesting the law of attraction, does this work? This is a 7-day proof, and if you don't do it, you will not prove to yourself that any of this works. As I said in my previous glossary video for the 1965 lectures, it's very interesting that people, when they get into manifesting or the law of attraction, they want to go and get something rather than prove something at all, like as an idea that this even works. They want to go get something. They want to see something show up. They want to have their emotional satisfaction today, now, yesterday, better, actually, maybe even 2 days ago. But for the next week, we're going to take 7 days and do this little experiment so you can prove this. If you don't prove this, then just shut off Neville entirely. You don't really need to listen to anything to do with Neville unless you prove to yourself either it works or it doesn't work. And Neville put out a very wonderful test to prove. And what you're going to do, we're not going to try and manifest our dream life in this next 7 days. We're just going to run an experiment. Neville used this exact exercise to prove imagination creates physical events. Today, you're going to set the container. That's day one right now. You're setting the container. Write on a piece of paper. I like to use these. When I did it the actual day I first did it, I learned this the morning of January 1st, 2022, and I wrote I think 7 of these. I will not climb a ladder. I put one right on my wallet. I put one on my computer screen. When I got in my car, I put one in on the steering wheel. I put them all over the place. I had them all over. Within 5 hours, I was already proving myself this experiment. But you consciously write on at least 3 pieces, but I did 5, like 7 or 5, I forget what it was, and post it everywhere. You're going to see it. So consciously during the day, I will not climb a ladder is what you wrote on your paper. Again, your wallet, your purse, whatever, the steering wheel, whatever, your mirror in the bathroom. And you mean it when you read it. I will not climb a ladder. If you don't do this, you will not prove whether this works or doesn't work. This is simple and this is unemotional, and that's why it's the best experiment to run on this whole idea. Don't imagine anything yet. Just sleep normally on night 1. Just go to bed. But all day, I will not climb a ladder. I will not climb a ladder. And then tomorrow, we're going to begin the actual experiment. That will be day 2. So until then, I will not climb a ladder. I will not climb a ladder. Oh, there it is. I will not climb a ladder. And go to sleep. Come back in the morning of day 2 and read the next video. Or check out the next video. See you then.